Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to talk about the benefits of Canva or the different type of say templates that you can use or you can get from Canva. So I will be breaking out this video in multiple parts so you can visit all the parts. So first is you can make some education presentation based on the topic, or you can select it from there like quizzes or maybe history presentation or different types. Then educational video, you can select any one template out of these educational video and accordingly you can edit it, and then you can maybe use your logo or maybe your college name, and then you can use it wherever you want to use it. Then third is like education infographic is someone where you are not at all using a lot of text, but by using some graphics and small like some short text or say briefing of like content, you are seeing it all. So yeah.